Hello my friends, I hope you all doing great. I'm back with another tutorial, and as you can see in this video we are gonna create this amazing animated tab bar with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we are gonna learn a lot in this video, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna create a new folder and I name it animated tab bar. I open this with Visual Studio Code. Alright, I'm gonna create an index file, index.html. After that, I'm gonna create a style file, style.css, and after that, I create an app.js file. Okay, in here I put an exclamation mark and hit tab. I change the title to animated tab bar, and in here I want to add our script src app.js, and in here I want to add my style.css. okay, now it's time to add some HTML to our file. First of all, I want to go live with our code to see our code at the same time. Alright, first of all, I want to add a menu with class of menu, hit tab. Alright guys, in here I want to add each individual button, so let's get started. First of all, I add a button with class of menu double underline item, and with class of active. First button should be active, and in here I just add a property of style and I say double dash bg color item equals to sharp ff8c00. I hit the save button. Alright, now it's time to add some SVG to our buttons. So I want to introduce you to Hero Icon website, and as you can see, we basically can download SVG icon from here for free and we can use it in our project. So I just want to copy some of these icon for random. I copy SVG for example and I put it in here in our button. So I want to delete all of this stuff except view box. I delete stroke. Okay, basically I delete all of the stroked property and I just want to have this path. Alright, I hit save. Let's check it out. We can't see anything yet because we should add some style to it. Okay, let's back in here. In here, I'm just gonna add to our SVG class of icon, and basically we are done with our button. So I copy this and paste it a couple of times, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and let's add some style. First of all, I want to delete the default styles of the browser. So I say box sizing border box, and I say margin 0, padding 0, and double dash bg color menu equals to sharp 1d27, and after that I say double dash duration 0.9 second. I hit the save button and After that I say body display flex, and height would be 100 VH. I say overflow hidden, and I add align items center, justify content center, and after that I said background color should be sharp FFB457. Okay, after that I say WebKit dash tab dash highlight color transparent, and after that I say transition background color background dash color var of duration. Okay, I hit the save button and let's check. Okay, let's add some style to our menu. I say display flex with 32 EM, font size 1.5 EM, and padding 0 and 2.85 EM, position relative, and I add align items of center. After that I say justify content center, and border radius of 10 pixel, and background color of variable of bg color menu. I hit save. Okay, after that it's time to add some style to our icons. So I say dot icon with 2.6 EM, height 2.6 EM, and stroke I add the color of white, and I say fill transparent. I say stroke with 1 pt, and I say stroke middle limit 10. I say stroke line cap rounded, and I say stroke line join rounded, and finally I say stroke -e 400. I hit save. Okay, now we can see that icon that we added to our project. So I want to add some style to our dot menu double underline item, and I say all onset. I say flow grow 1. I say z index of 100. I say display of flex, and I add cursor of pointer. I say position relative. I add border radius of 50%. I say align items center, and I add justify content center. After that I add padding 0.55 EM and 0 and 0.85 EM. Alright, I say transition transform var duration. I hit the save button. Okay, now it's time to add some style to our dot menu item before. Alright, I say content empty and z index -1 with 4.2 EM, height 4.2 EM, and after that I say border radius of 50% and position of absolute, and transform of scale 0, and transition background color var duration, and after that I say transform var duration. Okay, and I say dot menu item dot active transform translate 3D 0 -0.85 8em and 0. Okay, and I say dot menu item dot active before transform scale 1 and background color var bg color item. I hit the save button. I guess now it's time to add our media for make it responsive. I say dot media screen and max width of 50 em. I say dot menu font size should be 0.8 em and width should be 100% and border radius should be 0. I hit the save button. Alright guys, I think now it's time to add some JavaScript to our project, so let's get into it. In here I say const body equals to document dot body. Alright, after that I say const bg colors body equals to an array of some background. You can use whatever you want. I just want to use these colors. And after that I say const menu equals to body dot query selector and I said dot menu. I hit the save button. After that I want to choose our menu item, so I say const menu items equals to menu dot query selector all with class of menu double underline item. And after that I want to choose which one of these are active, so I say let active item equals to menu dot query selector and I say dot active. Alright guys, now I want to say menu items dot for each and I say for each item and index. I want to say item dot add event listener click, and I want to show you when we are clicking here what's going on, so I say console.log and I put item and index in here to see what's going on. Alright, I go to inspect and let's check it out. To our console I click in here and as you can see we have our button with SVG and everything, and index is 1 and this index is 0 and last index is 4. Okay, and now we are gonna use these to add some classes to each individual item. So in here I create an arrow function, so I say const click item, I say item index, and after that in here I say item dot class list dot add active. Okay, and I copy this function and paste it in here, and of course I should delete that. Alright, now let's check it out again. Okay, so basically all of our classes are now have the active class, so we don't want that. So let's back in here and I say body dot style dot background color equals to bg color body, and I say index. After that I say active item equals to item, and after that let's check our code again. We have all of our actives still, so in the top of our function I say if active item equals to item return, and if active item, so active item dot class list dot remove active. Now let's check our code again. Alright, in here, because we copy and pasted all of the buttons, we should delete the other active, and basically we just should have one of our buttons active. So let's back in our project. Now it's okay, and when I click, now you can see it as the active class to what buttons we are click on. Alright, let's back. Okay, now it's time to change this BG color item, and I have to copy each color from here. So I say this color should be this, and I copy the third color, after that this color, and after that the last color. I hit the save button, and now it's changed with our background color. Alright guys, in this part of video I wanna change this path with our original project. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it in here first, and the second, and the third, the fourth, and the last one. Alright, I hit the save button. Now we have our original icon. You can use what icon you want. So in here, as you can see, when we are click in each individual button, we can see our SVG files move. So to doing that, we just have to add some animation to our styles. So in here I say keyframes stroke, and I say in 100% stroke dash offset 400, and in here I copy this and paste it in here. I say dot menu item dot active dot icon, and I say animation stroke 1.5 second reverse. I hit the save button, and let's check it out. Alright guys, and as you can see, we have our SVG animation, but we want to add this amazing background. For doing that, I have to add this circle with a SVG code. So let's get into it. I want to add another div after all of our buttons. So I say dot menu border, I hit tab, and I'm just gonna add some style to this div. After our menu, I want to put the SVG code of this circle. So I copy this and paste it in here. It's just a clip path with a circle, with a code of a circle. I hit the save button, and I'm just gonna add some style to show this to our project. So I say dot menu border left 0 and bottom 99% width 10.9 em and height 2.4 em. Position would be absolute, and clip path URL sharp menu, and after that I say will change transform and I say background color var bg color menu, and I say transform transition transform var duration. I hit the save button, and now you can see our circle in here, but we should add our animation with JavaScript. So after that I say .svg dash container, and I say width 0 and height 0. Okay guys, now we are gonna add another arrow function for making our SVG background animation with each individual button. So I say const offset menu border equals to element and menu border, and after that, alright, what is our menu border? Alright guys, first of all I want to pick this menu border that I added before. So in here I say const menu border equals to menu dot query selector, and I say that menu double underline border, and in here I say const offset active item equals to element, and I say dot get bonding client react, and after that I say const left equals to math dot floor offset active item dot left minus menu dot offset left minus parentheses menu border dot offset width minus offset active item dot width, and after that divided by 2, and after our parentheses I say plus pixel. Alright, after that I say menu border dot style dot transform equals to backtick translate 3D, and I add the left variable, and I say 0 and 0. I hit the save button, but we can't see anything yet because we should use this function. So after that in here I add this function, and of course I delete it, and in here I add active item to this for the element. I hit save. Now you can see our SVG circle move with our animation. So guys, let's check it out. Now you can see when we are resizing our window, this doesn't change, but when we pick another button it changes automatically. So I want to add another arrow function, so I say that window dot add event listener resize, and I say offset menu border active item and menu border. I hit save, and now when we resizing, our circle find his place and move to that place he belongs. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any question about this tutorial, feel free to add your question in the comments, and I definitely answer all of your questions. I see you on the next video.